Welcome. If you've noticed that Gmail isn't showing those small notification dots on your app icon, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn on app icon badges for Gmail's other notifications and make sure you never miss an important message again. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where you can manage how your apps behave when it comes to alerts, badges, and notifications in general. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. You'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. From here, find and select Gmail. Once you're inside the Gmail app settings, tap on Notifications. This is the section that controls what kinds of alerts Gmail can show you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. These categories organize Gmail's different types of alerts, like primary mail, promotions, or other updates. The one we want today is Other Notifications. Go ahead and tap on Other Notifications. Inside, you'll see several options you can fine-tune depending on how you like to be notified. The key one here is the App Icon Badges switch. Toggle App Icon Badges on. When this setting is enabled, you'll start seeing those little number dots on your Gmail icon again, showing you at a glance how many unread notifications you have. It's a simple step, but it makes staying on top of your messages much easier. Once that's done, head back to your home screen and check your Gmail icon. When a new email comes in, you'll now see a badge appear, just like before. That's it. You've successfully turned on app icon badges for Gmail's other notifications. If this helped you out, remember to check your other apps too. Many use similar settings so you can keep everything organized and visible right from your screen. Thanks for watching.